Welcome guys. Let's do Swissborg token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Binance $710 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Total bonus $5,680 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and tradable. Trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. Current rank of Swissborg is 132 and it is Ethereum based token. Price of this token is 77 cents right now, $0.77. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I am going to show you the website and charts. Market cap of this token is $771 million, which is very good. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 4.3 million. Circulating supply of this token is 1 billion. And maximum supply is also 1 billion. And here you can see, let me please show you. Here you can see. On 7 March 2018, price of this token was just 3 cents, and after that price goes to, let me please show you all-time high, $1.65. All-time high of this token was on May 4, 2021, 7 months ago, and the price was $1.65. And it is now, all-time low of this token was on July 24, 2019, 2 years ago, and the price was 0.00477, and return on investment of this token is 742%, which is very good. And it is available on these exchanges, Bitfinex, KuCoin and Uniswap. And if you want to get on KuCoin, then this is the link. Go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get $100 bonus too. Let me please show you website. Here you can see this is the website. Invest in cryptos the smart way. Invest with a trusted and secure mobile app. 1.88 billion crypto assets and 500k verified users and 741 crypto pairs. That is very huge. Invest with the best tools, and please visit this website by your own before buying this token. And let me please show you, you can get these benefits, staking and yield farming, and after that some other features. You can visit this website by your own. Let me please show you the chart. This is Swissborg Monday USDT pair chart, and current price of this token is 77 cents, $0.77. After creating top at 83 cents, it is now at 77 cents. This is strong horizontal resistance is at 82 cents price area. Once Swissborg break this horizontal resistance and close daily candle above this, in that case our first target is 93 cents, second target is $1, and third target is $1.16. But before this we have to wait. Here you can see it rejected here from several times. Here you can see first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, several times. But there is a strong resistance. Support is at this zone, which is 77 cents price area. Once it broke this area, in that case this will be the target. According to the support and resistance base, because this is the major support is at 57 cents. Once it broke this area, 82 cents price area, in that case our target will be like this. $1.08 will be the target, and after that it will break its all-time high. But for this we have to wait. There is another pattern you can see. It is a W pattern, and here you can see easily it is a W pattern, and according to the W pattern this is the same target, $1.08, and we have to wait until it broke this strong horizontal resistance, which is at 82 cents 85 cents price area. This is the area where it is facing strong resistance. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing. We need that kind of strong volume. Unfortunately today volume is very low. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and this EMA ribbon is turning as a support at 71 cents price area, and this is very good for this token. This token is just listed only to big exchanges, and this token rank is very good, and this token's technology is very good, and app is very good. That is why I am making this video. I am very much sure that this token will definitely hit new all-time high, and definitely will price will go up, and we have to wait for this. Let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 60, and it is good. Anything above 50 it is called bullish. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards upside, and here you can see now towers are changing their color, but there is no need to worry, because there is a good support is waiting for at 76 to 77 cents price area. And let me please show you my main indicator, which is very important to me, and this is CPR indicator. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see these yellow 3 lines are main CPR support lines and main CPR lines, and it hit first bullish target, and first bullish monthly CPR target was 74 cents, and it hit first target. Second bullish target monthly CPR is 86 cents, and third monthly CPR bullish target is 94 cents, and after that it will hit its all-time high, and it will create new highs. Let me please hide this, and let me please remove this too, and let me please show you the target of this bull run and my thinking about this target. Let me please arrange this. We have to consider top to bottom, and let me please fix it. Please wait. Here you can see it is in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci levels. Once it crosses 80 cents price area, it will break 0.38 Fibonacci level. After that, 0.5 is very important, and it is at 87 cents price area. And after that, golden pocket is at 0.61, which is 94 cents price area. And once it broke 0.78, it is at $1 price area. In that case, it will be the extreme bullish. My target for this token is this area, $2.5 to $2.6 price area is my target. I think maybe it can hit $3 price area, but my target is $2.5 $2.6 price area, and maybe $3 price area. These are the targets. I think these are very realistic targets, and I hope this token can easily hit these targets, because it is not listed on very big exchanges, and this is bull run, and that is why I am saying this. It can easily hit these targets, and for this we have to wait. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Freemax $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links, register your account and deposit. After initial deposit, you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away and earn profit. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.